Hello, it's Bekah and welcome to the Carriage House, a little place to find cozy inspiration for your hearth and home. It's a quiet afternoon of homemaking here at my little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. Last week I decorated my kitchen for a wintry Valentine's Day, and I'd love for you to come along with me today. I'll be just doing some simple things, tidying up my home, making chocolate, oatmeal, and coconut no-bake cookies, and I'll be decorating a little bit more for Valentine's Day, which will make its way all the way until it's time to decorate for springtime. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House. So before I start doing things around the house, I'm going to make lime water to sip on. And lime water is extremely hydrating, and it helps aid in digestion and immune support, and it tastes really good too. It gives you a good boost for the day. Now it is snowing, so I'll probably end up making a cup of herbal tea while I get the rest of my Valentine's Day decor out. So gonna clean the counters. A clean kitchen can make the whole house seem a whole lot cleaner. So this morning I finally finished doing a deep clean in the baking section of my pantry. I would show you, but it's really small and it's really hard to get my camera equipment and lighting in there. But I threw out expired items and washed these containers. I'm gonna refill some of them, and then I wrote down things that I'll need on my grocery list, and then I'll refill those another time. Now on to making these delicious snow-baked chocolate coconut cookies for the kids and my husband. I thought, well, I have everything I need to make them already out, so very easy to make, a perfect treat for Valentine's Day or anytime really. So I'm going to begin mixing 3 cups of oats and 1 cup of dry sweetened coconut together. In a small saucepan on a hot stove, I'm adding 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and I'm using the dark variety, a half a cup of milk, and then a half a cup of butter. I'm gonna whisk this into submission, making sure everything is mixed really well together. And then I'll pour it over the oats and coconut mixture. So I'll go ahead and do this, and then I will leave the recipe down below, by the way. So before I make a cup of herbal tea and begin decorating, I need to make sure our cat house is ready for my husband to take out to the barn. And I want to thank Haven for sending us this insulated cat house for our feral cats outside for these cold winter months. And my cats are really curious and loving this little house. But if you have outdoor or feral cats outside your home and live in a colder climate, then I highly recommend this adorable cat house. It's a true haven for feral cats this winter. It's a 2-story wooden cat house. It has 6 sides all around and insulated construction to ensure superior warmth, crafted with 3-layer insulated materials, solid wood, plus plywood and liner. The thoughtful insulation ensures a warm and snug environment for feral cats or your little outdoor cats during winter, providing a safe and comfortable space. And the roof is waterproof, which is really nice. And I'll leave lots more details down below. I will leave Haven's information and links all down below.
Heading up the west coast in the morning to find a place where no one knows our faces or our names. If we don't leave now, we might never make it out alive. Plans are changing, rearranging all the time. So come away with me, let's break free. We could fall asleep where the land and ocean meet. Wake up to the sounds of no one around. And as the sun comes up, the glow will show us where we need to go. All this waiting, so frustrating, let's just drive. So come away with me, let's break free. Just you and me. Oh,
Thank you so much for stopping by today. So many more Valentine's Day videos to come, so really excited. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed your stay here, and become part of our slow living circle where we cherish the simple pleasures during this journey we call life. Wishing you well and stay safe, my sweet friend.